Very nice, cute addition to your baby shower. I also recommend getting a large sized baby shower backdrop. What's good, everybody? On today's video, I'm going to show you some stickers that you can use during a baby shower. So these come in boy and girl ones. The stickers are waterproof and they're pretty much ready to use. You can wrap them around bottles, as I said, or you can wrap them around chocolate bars. You can create bookmarks with them or anything else that you can imagine. I also recommend getting a large sized baby shower backdrop. The one that we got is 72.5 inches wide by 43.5 inches tall. It comes with grommets on the side, so you can very easily attach string and tape it to a wall or hang it off a thumbtack. It is also weather resistant, so you can take it outside if it rains, and it's going to add that extra memorable baby shower atmosphere. So there are 3 different types of stickers. There's Sweet Girl, Hello Little One, and Little Cutie is on the way. Now you can take this and place this on wine bottles if that's your theme, or you can put this on water bottles. It doesn't really matter what you place this on. I'm just going to show you how these operate. So these are stickers, right? So you peel this. It's pretty strong adhesive, and then all you do is you just wrap this around, and you can see that it almost goes all the way. On the regular water bottle, it would go all the way. Now we might as well show you what this looks like if all 3 of them come on. Not that you would do this, but you would do this on different bottles, right? And let's go take the 3rd one. Probably should have gone higher. Oh, there you go, kind of wrap it around at the bottom. All right, so there you go. This is what it would look like. Now, in terms of coming off, as you can see, they are really strong, right? So you're obviously gonna have to peel this using some pretty good chemicals, because let's see here, see? The adhesive is extremely strong. Very nice, cute addition to your baby shower. And again, as I said, these do come in different types of designs, boy, girl. These are the stickers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.